In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. We're going to walk through the entire process, from setting up the app you need, to creating your ebook product, to attaching your actual ebook file so customers can download it instantly after purchase. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type digital downloads and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Digital Downloads and click on it. You'll be taken to the app's information page. Go ahead and install the app and follow the on-screen prompts until the installation is complete. When it's done, you'll automatically be taken to the app's dashboard. Next, let's add your ebook as a product in your store. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, click on Products. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Add Product. Click that to open the product editor. Here, start by entering your product name, which will be your ebook title. Then, in the description area, write a clear and compelling description for your ebook. You can include a short summary, the key benefits, who it's for, and any instructions your customers might need. This editor supports rich text, so feel free to use headings, bullet style formatting, or emphasis to make it easy to read. Scroll down to the media section. This is where you'll upload your ebook cover image. Click Upload New if the cover image is on your computer, or select Existing if you already uploaded it to your Shopify files. Choose the image you want and make sure it looks good, since this will represent your ebook in your store. Next, in the pricing section, set the selling price for your ebook. Choose a price that matches the value of your content and your audience. In the inventory section, you can turn off inventory tracking, since ebooks are digital and you don't run out of stock. In the shipping section, make sure to disable the option that marks this as a physical product. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top of the page. Now, go back to the Digital Downloads app dashboard. Wait for it to fully load and you'll see a list of your products. Find the ebook product you just created, and on that row, click Add Digital File. This opens the digital file editor for that product. Click Add Files, and a pop-up window will appear allowing you to browse your computer. Locate your ebook file, select it, then click Open or press Enter. Wait for the upload to finish, and when it's done, click Save at the top. At this point, your ebook is fully set up as a digital product on Shopify. Customers will be able to purchase it and receive a download link automatically after checkout.